Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Christine and I am with my friends.
Kareen.
Jaza.
Welcome to our first podcast. We've been friends since 2018, first year college, diba?
Yes.
We prepared 50 questions related to career and personal development.
So we'll answer 2 questions each. From each category, and it's just raw, nothing. We haven't seen the questions, so it's raw reflections.
Okay, so ready na mo guys for our
Yes,
first question?
yes.
Very. Let's
Very
go.
ready. Let's find
roll
out.
it. This is the questions for the first category. So I will be the one to first mag-pick.
Okay, go.
Okay.
So my first question, is it Karin?
Okay. And again, the category is post-graduation reflections. So first question would be, are you where you imagined yourself would be after graduation?
Okay, that's so deep, my friend. Honestly, no.
Why?
When we were still in college, we're focus kay ko sa pagiging CPA goal. So, kung balikan akong self atong mga nasa third year, second year college, makita gid ako sa akong self 3 years or 4 years later is nag-work gid ko, nag-hustle gid ko sa corporate
Yeah,
jobs,
office.
sa office.
Yeah,
Then,
no?
nakita din ako ko self nga naka-employee uniform ko and but it turns out na
So, imong vision kay like CPA gyud.
oo.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I think ang biggest plot twist is naka-affect ang pandemic, right? And everybody switched to remote
True.
jobs.
And because of that pandemic kay naka-affect siya sa asa ko karon. Mo to ang main answer. I am in my life right now na wala din ako na-imagine when I was still in college.
Okay, that's a good one.
Okay,
Let's mo answer.
Next.
pwede ako. Sige, go.
The question is, what was your proudest moment so far?
Agoy!
Agoy.
Pag-load.
Top of my head right now, proudest moment sa akong life is probably just surviving everything. Only because, I know that's so general, no? Pero the reason why, I think as a person before, same taog background, no, na pag-college, kay working student and all that. And so I never had the chance to visualize something in the future because nakarealize ko nga, permi ko, nasa survival mode ba. Murabag, I just wanna get through a day or like probably like through a year na okay na-eskwela lang ko and then that's it, but wala ko'y high level or long term vision of where I want to be. And so nalipay ko, siguro proudest moment is that naka-survive ko ato na phase and that I'm here right now, no, like
You're able to dream.
yeah, like makathink na ko pero still mao na siya, like proudest moment is just really surviving everything so far kay all of us are not well off one good and we're now here, more siya privilege and also like something to be proud of. So that's it.
Cute. Okay, that's cute.
So ako na, next mamo.
Yes, ma'am.
And then I will read
Yan
it.
si
Parang mo, scary kayo.
diba? Like,
Kanina ko kayo.
nakurbaan ko answer kayo.
Okay, bida-bida ba ta? Let's pick this one. Kasi mo ba sa ikaw?
Yeah. Okay, Miss Jazara L.
Okay.
This is your
What is it?
question. What kept you going when you wanted to give
Oh.
up?
Ma'am, the question is meant for her.
Yeah. I think the best, it's more like not a motivation, but it's really the reason that it keeps me going is kanang kuan. Poverty itself.
I mentioned ito ganyan, we're not well off.
Yeah, it's poverty itself. I think I can remember one time na kanang kuan, diba? Naning magit ko sa eskwelahan and everything.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah,
wake up
yeah.
early.
Yes, ma'am. Masuko kay ka na mo sa una.
Maabot
Maguna sa
gani ang
deadline.
kanang kuan, night time nga sa among life because I really am not, believe me, privileged. Night time sa life na weekend, for example, so like classic, nothing to do. So nakabatao sa iyo. Yeah, panahon ako, ay wala mo libisod, matulog lang sa ubalik. So, na ba? And then, sad. Pero bitaw,
It's making me teary-eyed.
yeah, it really made me kanakan, ay, doon ganahan na may ato kong balik. I don't want to be stuck in that, certain situation.
Kalakon ko eh. proud of you. You've come so far. You've come so far.
So I think that's like my biggest motivation. It's not a motivation. It's a certain thing that I have no choice. But
Survival mode, as I said. Kailangan ko niya, Zeril.
yeah. Oh,
No, I feel like we are starting to get to know each other, but on a different level
you
na.
need tissue.
Yeah, different level.
Yeah, we should prepare tissue.
Tissue, ma'am, tissue.
Pwede kayo tissue roll.
I didn't take it. Okay, so yeah.
How did you land your first client or job? This is interesting.
Oh, this is interesting. It's like the reason for this podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how did I land my first client? I remember it was June 2021. So, it was because of you. Kasi si Karen, siya yung first na na-hire as a VA. Tapos, nag-chat me. Katunga time na na-hire na siya, wala pa ko naka-work. So, naapa ko sa learning YouTube tutorials how to become a VA. Tapos, ni-share siya nga, ang iyahang offer is 1,000. Can I say it?
Dollars.
Yeah, it was 1,000 US dollars. Okay, whatever. Yeah, it was $1,000. And then si Karen po ato na time very active sa Twitter. So you remember you keep on updating your activities sa Twitter. Tapos isa din yun sa reason why active ako sa Twitter kay ginaabangan sa nako ano na nangyayari kay Karen.
Diba?
Oo. So katong si Karen na hire siya andun nakakuha siya atong offer. Murag na something nag-motivate ko. Hala, pwede di ay ka mag-earn og that amount in that age, in that level of experience nga kanang dili pa ka need mag-spend og how many years. Kay murag kato magud nga level of my understanding kailangan pa nimo mahimong manager, maging supervisor.
Kuan mo ko dyan, like, ato nga time, 1,000 USD is about
50.
Oh, mga 48,000 to
Oh, mga
50.
anak. But it's very big na, di ba?
Wala ba the experience, yeah.
Oo. So, na-inspire din ko kay Karen. So, dito ko mas na-motivate maghanap sa akong first client. And, so, nakita na ko akong first client through LinkedIn. It was because pud sa ako, kanabilang porsigido pud kay ko
Yeah.
Is it that ni-apply ka to random na mga openings?
Di ba naman yung mga job posting?
Ah, yeah.
So, na-isa ka job post nga ningon siya. Nangita sila og French speaker nga virtual assistant nga mag-assist sa administrative tasks sa client.
Mhm.
Yeah, di ba ko French speaker, girl?
Kaya nga ako kayo like more.
Na-hire ka.
Na-hire ko, you know why? Kay I kept on messaging the hiring manager. And actually, he already passed away. So that hiring manager, nag-message siya, nag-reply siya, thankfully, galing siya sa Poland, and the client is in Switzerland, but they are close friends. Right? Tabangan natin yung client.
Ay, this is your Swiss client. Siya di mo ang first nga client.
Matay na de.
Ang hiring manager.
Hiring manager.
Okay.
Passed away last year.
Kasi po kami.
So anyway, ito siya na hiring manager. Ningan siya sa ako, Christine, I really like your persistence.
Sure.
But kanang hindi man good sa client is French speaker, but because daw sa ako position, gusto daw niya na ipaila ako sa client. So mag-call niya atong client. So na-excite ko lang kay from Switzerland to Europe. Siya mas
True.
Ang part na akong ginawa na.
Yes.
So, nag-call me, mga 30 minutes doon na murag get to know each other lang na itong mga client. And then, na-offer ko guys, but dili gani ako ang need nila at that time. But ganahan sila siguro sa ako.
So another role was
So,
offered.
Another role was offered. And kabalo ko pinisundo.
I don't think imo siyang naingon.
Wala mo naman.
So yeah.
Sa first na client.
Ang first ever client ako, ang sweldo na ko is 5,000 pesos per month.
Real?
Gamay de ka.
Yeah. So, that was the story na 5,000 siya. So, kay siguro gamay pa magyud ko experience at wala jud ko experience, but gidawat ko niya, and because he accepted me, yun yung naging first stepping stone ko.
True.
I started from that.
We all
Yeah.
start somewhere.
The fact that that client ba invested on your potential was the stepping stone of like where you are now. So I
And
think
you know what, during our whole interview, siya smile. Kay ganahan daw siya sa kuang
personality.
personality.
Yes, I think that I could agree.
Yeah.
And until now, kay nagyapon siya sa kuha. But dili na mi ka na full-time working sa iya.
Mm.
And of course, better pay.
And better na po ang pay, dili na 5,000 plus. But we thankful kay ko to 5,000
Yeah.
As a student.
Nice.
So that's it, the story.
That's a nice story, yeah.
Cute.
Okay, moving on.
My turn. Wala way mo pick sa dako kaayo.
In fairness, ako gipick. The question is, what's the biggest shift in your mindset since college?
Oh.
Maybe share na lang po, what was your mindset atong college?
Oh, para ma-compare na to.
Share na siya.
Maybe survival mode with
Kulban, like ko answer. Sige. Biggest shift probably sa akong mindset is you can have all the riches in the world, but you can also be the most broken person in the world, or the saddest, the loneliest person in the world. Maong mindset shift siya, I think, because when we were in college, or ako lang, no, not, it's not true to all, pero for me, kay pag naa ka sa survival mode, you feel like, pag na ako'y kwarta, maybe I will be worthy, maybe I will be happy, maybe I can buy these things and it will fulfill me. Inana ba? And now, nanako sa stage na, di man ingon na, dako na gid kayo ang earning, but probably like an earning na comfortable ko enough to live the lifestyle that I have ba. So, sakto lang siya. I'm happy and I'm okay with the earning. And, like nakay savings and all that. Pero, the fact na you have everything, like a stable career, stable finances, you have really great friends, you're well supported sa imong family, and yet you feel na murag nay kuwang. So, marabag, from thinking na money can solve everything, to a mindset na you can have all the money in the world but you can still be the loneliest person if sa ako ani ha, if wala kay intimate relationship with the Lord. So more on that, and it's a big realization for me.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing. Sabi mo tayo mo, ha?
Puro ganang ko ano ganang Miss Universe 20.
Okay, so this is like the last question.
Excited, ma'am.
Okay, Jezrael, this is your second question.
Okay, so.
What was your biggest, I don't know what I'm doing here.
Oh, yeah, boy mo. I just before mo answer si Jessa is like the type of person mga kanang one step ahead. So, di ko sure if nasa ika-answer kay.
I think that is a compliment.
I mean, mura siya kanang,
Yeah, I have.
mura siya mag-think daan where things are, inana bitaw, regardless sa iyang emotional situation.
Sa college, di ba? Siya dyan ang organized despite of the
Kanang,
schedule niya.
Yeah.
despite sa emotional situation, even when she was brokenhearted, I don't think if
Oh my God, na-share mo din na lang.
but I don't think na siya ka-answer, but it would be interesting to know if na siya ka-answer. So,
Na, actually,
take it
diba-
away.
Wait, balik ko.
Yeah, what I'm doing.
So, take it away because I'm curious.
And what,
I
I
don't
don't
know
know what I'm doing. Oh, okay. I think maybe ma-relate siya sa time like when people doesn't trust me. Ana. So, of course, maabot yun ang point nga ka ng, am I doing it right? I think ang biggest nga example ana is my journey here. Like, obtaining this one. Okay.
Condominium.
Yeah, the condo.
Okay.
Honestly, kay, of course, we are...
Yeah, rin ng balay, guys. Shout out.
Yeah, wala akong invite nila. Sila nga rin. Sila nga rin. They choose. Anyway, but yeah, ang first ginawa ko nga choice, and maybe they have to know as well nga nung ganahan gilay ko nga kanang magka-own place. So, I came from a family nga kanang kuan bitaw, we are a big family. Okay naman, we all love each other, pero grabe kaayo ang kanang saba. We have our own problems to tell food, and like what I mentioned earlier, we are not very privileged, and then so of course there's a lot of problems, and they've seen my growth as well physically. Stress. And because of the stress, like grabe maglisod yung panambok sa pagbisaw kaon. And so there was a time in, of course, I think college pa ko ganahan yung mga maka-obtain ko ako ang space, maka-obtain ko ako ang property. own house or yeah, maybe condominium. And ang akong first na option actually is dili kani nga condo, but it was another condo, smaller one.
Asa dapit?
Sa Lapu-Lapu na Ubay ni Hanbat. So I think na-mention ako mo. And kami pa to sa akong ex. At that time, ang kuan ato, sweldo is not what my current earnings karon, so medyo gamay pa siya. And then ang naitabo ato is dili ko kaabot sa kanang kuan bitaw required nga salary. So ano ko niya? Grabe eh. Ano ko niya kanang magkuan sa mi mag-ownership ni. But he was not very
Ready pa.
yeah, he was not. I don't think he is seeing the same as I'm seeing for myself. So antod sa nagbuwag ni. And then ano gid nga story ang kani siya nga experience ang pinaka-answer ana, like I have a coworker before sa Jollibee nga kanang sales agent po siya, real estate.
Okay.
Ni-reach out ko niya kay kabaw ko nga nang maligya siya mga balay. So nag-inquire ko niya about sa katuyahang i-post nga Airbnb. Dila natin mention kay di ba ni paid. Pero bitaw nag-reach out ko niya lain ko ayo ron kuan bitaw. Ay, ano na ha, sa ako, aguro nga pananaw kay mo ko ganang gilook down ba kay. Instead of entertaining me, wala ni siya reply. Yarang gisin.
Okay.
Grabe ka na siya nga daw. Siguro ya. So, mauto, mura bitaw ko ganang kuan. Nalain, I won't be nalain ko ato. So, pagka next day, reach out ko, lain nga agent. And I landed sa kanang pinaka-nindot ng agent. Grabe ka siya, wholesome ko ayo. God fearing ko gid ko ayo, so mo to siya the next day ni down yun mo. So mao na siya ang ano, am I doing it right or sakto ba yung ibot ni down din ko paguma.
You feel na it was kinda a rush decision.
Yes.
Although everything turned out well, pero more siya rush decision at that
basin
moment.
ba nga basin ka na dali ra ko kay
Yeah.
ko sa katong
Yeah.
sa ka-agent.
More about out of emotion nga pag
basin ka na wrong niya ko.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yan ako ba siya nga investment.
Okay, so we are done sa first category. Now we will move on to second category.
Yay! Thank you guys. How do you stay? Uy, nice thing a question. This will be helpful to I think aspiring virtual assistants and siguro mga VAs na struggling ani right now. How do you stay productive working from home?
Oh no!
Oh no, kay dili.
Ay, grabe siya.
Okay,
The goal is to inspire. The goal is to inspire.
okay, the goal is to inspire you.
Charot eh. Raw pa din answers, guys.
Yeah. And baka mag-watch akong client, ano ba niya? Marsha, Christine.
This is what you're doing, huh?
How do I stay productive working from home? Honestly, it is very difficult. Kasi nga, nag-work from home ko and I have a lot of distractions at home. Household chores, my dogs, nga ako pang meet Ate Manon, and other things. And I also do TikTok.
Yeah, and I think it's not only true to her. I think true to all.
Yeah.
So, daghan kay ko ginahimo. And honestly, I spend a lot of time more on my personal stuff than my work. I only work like 3 to 4 hours a day. Yes, client.
I'm going.
yeah.
Which is actually good, no? Like there's freedom.
Yeah. That's the goal.
But don't get me wrong, the 4 hours is the hyper focus na 4 hours. So yeah. So para mag-stay ko productive despite all the distractions is I work on a time na tulog ang sa bahay.
Can you elaborate or specify sa nga time?
So, di ba no, from morning, mata ko, and then morning to evening, extra ko nga time, mag-dose ako mga personal sa, and mga bandang 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m., dira na nga time, slow down na ang paligid, and my dogs are kanang,
So,
sila,
exactly 9, you start yun.
So, pag quiet time, 5 hours na sa paligid, dira na ako magsugod o
Laser focus
laser
on
focus
tasks.
na on tasks. And then, also, kanang, important good kay ang good environment to stay productive para sa kuang.
Yeah.
So that's why nga karon na ako sa stage akong like nga thinking about like Jazza nga kanang I really want na ako'y own space. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, surround yourself in a good environment and good people na dili pud ka samok-samokon
Yeah.
so that maging productive ka.
Supportive
So,
people, no? Yeah.
So, mo na siya ang pinaka-productive way na maingon ako to stay focused.
So the question is, what's your dream client or project?
Dream client.
Do you have one when you started?
And a little background sad, Karen doesn't work directly for one client. She works for a company.
Yeah. Oh yeah, sige. I'll start with that, no.
So,
Ako amang job is more on, well, the company I'm from is actually a virtual assistant company. So, I do not work directly with the client in a way na ilajud kong virtual assistant. More on, yes, I interact with different clients, like hundreds of different clients, but it's because they reached out to our company to actually look for virtual assistants.
yeah.
So my role is more on
Placements.
placements, like really getting the virtual assistants back a specific client, like
I think
placing them,
department
matching
na
them
siya is
together.
HR.
Kinda HR, pero sa among company, it's really like placements department. Not me like separate na HR department. Or going back to the question, no, if naa ba ko'y dream, this is really gonna be a deep answer and a very, I would say, godly answer tungod kay personally man good. Again, ang background ako no kay survival mode. I don't think I ever had a chance to dream or like imagine or visualize something sa una ba. Pero later on, I think last 2 months ago lang ninako nga realization sa akong life na I realized unsa paghanay sa Ginoo ang tanan na hitabo nga everything I have right now is actually something I want di ay. Murag nag-unag kahatag ang ako ang desire versus me knowing nga mao din na siya akong i-desire. Murabag kung ako as a person, kung outside ko sa akong life and then magtanaw ko nga nani si Karin, mao din akong ganahan. But I'm lucky because ako ang naa nga place. So I think gi-arrange or gi-orchestrate siya ni Lord nga gibutang ko anhi because this is what I will want. So murag kay bawo na sa daan unsay gusto sa akong heart, unsay desire sa akong heart, asa ma-place ako ang heart. And so, to answer that, if na ko'y dream job, the one that I have right now, no? Dream client, dream company. Ako ang company is a virtual assistant company, yes, but it's a Christ-centered company, which I'm also like really happy ba na kung core value lang ato ang storyaan, very much aligned to what I want and to where I want in life. So, yeah.
That's nice.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Funny. Okay. Babasa.
Jaza, your question is, are you single? What does a productive day look like for you? It's so adulting.
Yeah. And for me though, it's really different now that I can feel like I'm an adult na gyud. Like
True.
officially an adult.
True,
Tita
officially
Pro
adult.
Max,
Yes.
Housewife. No, honestly, that's the right term. I am my own housewife.
Tita Pro Max.
And the
Yeah,
most
yeah.
productive day for me is not just kanang about sa work, but of course, maapil ng work, especially if weekdays. And productive if after work, I can still manage to do the chores.
Yeah.
House is
It's a
clean,
good one.
everything. Laundry is empty. Like, everything is organized. And I have cooked for myself, like, tita.
That's a good
tita
one.
thing. And I think those who are living in their own houses can understand. Like that's the kind, that's the kind of productive that I am wanting right now. Because sa una mo no, especially itong college pa ta, ang productive para nato is like mahuman ang assignment. Which
Human ang tunanan.
Pagkabang
Yes.
sa una, di ba? Nani kita sa una. But yeah, right now on this stage, lahi na siya nga kind of productive. I'm like a housewife. And
Pretty housewife.
yes.
Oh, I got the biggest one.
How do you stay organized with your tasks?
How do I stay organized?
Right.
So, I think to all aspiring virtual assistant and mga mag-VA, kay important kaayo ni siya. Para kay murag as VA magud except siguro sa kay Karen kay like sa company type na kuan. Para sa tuwa bitaw na VA nga type nga pinasagdan sa client kanang you are your own boss, kumbaga.
Yes.
Para maging organized good sa kuha is na jud ko'y my own workspace na like project management tool kada siya. So I don't know sa inyo
Is it like an application?
Yeah.
Okay.
like Asana, ClickUp.
Yeah. Okay.
Sa kuha kay I use now is Notion. So
Mm.
tanan na added to actually I also have a Notion sa akong own personal activities. So if you are also struggling
Time boss, di ba muna sila? Time boss,
if you're also
Monday.com.
struggling na mag-organize sa task is fun. Kanang use a project management tool like Notion, simple good ang Notion and
Google Calendar.
Google Calendar.
Pinaka common, pinaka
Yeah.
And I also have a checklist tapos na ako'y
yeah.
board sa house nga okay money siya for this week kailangan ako i-accomplish personal man or work. So I think it's also very helpful sa tanan nga gusto mo enter aning nga industry.
Yeah.
Kay without pinaka-basic yun ng project management tool and without that, kay lost yun ka and you would probably lose your client.
And also like me, no, as a former like recruiter and interviewing VAs ba, it's a plus when we interview candidates and then mo tanamin na kanang this is one of the most basic question good every time no we ask okay, so how do you stay organized? Like wala may mag-monitor man good nimo unlike in the office. So how do you do that? And mao na siya ang pinaka-nice nga answer. Nakahibaw ka og project management tools. So most definitely yes.
And there's a lot of project management tool and if dili ka kabaloon saon sila gamiton, daghan kay free tutorials how to do that on YouTube.
Yeah.
And it's free, guys. Thank you.
Ay. Naging jazza mo, no?
The question is, what's one skill you never expected to use as a VA? Oh, interesting.
Point, that's difficult. No? Okay. What's one skill I never expected to use? Okay. Sige. Siguro my background or probably my kanang kanang innate nga skill nga developed as an accountancy student ba, di ba? Like as an accountancy student kanang we do much on analysis, di ba? Analysis on numbers, on like financial statements and all that. So nag-start magud ko sa akong role. Again, 4 years na ko been doing that. So more on akong role is di ba like recruitment. So I interview, I interact with clients and ask them. So more siya kuya mo siya una-unaon, asa na ko isod ang analysis nga part, asa na ko isod akong accounting side. But actually, nasod na ko siya unexpectedly, kanang, di ba, nag-move up ko sa akong role. So now, kanang, I'm supervising the department. And then, that's when I analyze the reports. Like productivity sa akong team, and I like it so far because dili kay siya hard transition sa ako bitaw nga. Diba when basta ma-leader manggod ka, probably to some na walay background on numbers, like kind of hard ang analysis on like seeing like asa man nagikan na numbers sa kanang inani man. But because of siguro my background and siguro nasanay na bitaw ang brain nga mag-analyze jud siya anytime. So gamit kay siya, it's not a hard transition for me when there was a proud moment for me gani nga kana bitong usa ka line sa Excel nga nobody understood ba, like asa man ni nagikan na number, and then ako ra gud siyang gitan-aw, and then personally wala ko idea unta like para asa to tanan. And then when I saw it, I did math lang on sa ko mga nakita nga numbers ba, and then I suggest mo kanikal kog tubag sa kanang work sa team ato nga work ari man siguro ni and then sakto day siya. So mura bag kanang dili man sa putting myself on a pedestal. It's nothing like that, but more on nagamit gid siya. And unexpectedly tungod kay wala ko abi nako dili na ko magamit ako accounting background, but siguro na hone lang gud ato ang analysis ana nga field.
Next question to Jaza.
Okay. Bahala ka po.
Isa lang. What's
go on.
one funny client moment you'll never forget?
My boss, a CPA, old na mo gud siya. Like, I swear, marami daw siya mama and everything. Diba? Dita ka na siya, Asian siya. Marami ka na mama. Grabe ka na siya mga saba. Like, yeah. I think mo po na ano nga ka ng strong-minded ko as a worker. It's because, ingana ako ang pagka-train niya. Grabe ka siya kakuan bitaw. Hindi mo sa ino ka ng perfectionist, pero as much as possible, less mistakes. Because, dahil sa mo ang work, every mistake can cost you a lot.
Yeah.
So, murag ana ang mon training, and yeah, of course, I am doing my best po para dili maka-accept sa'yo. And ang naka-funny lagi diyan, no, kay every time mag-meeting, di ba, mag-send kong calendar nga invite, ma'am, di siya kita siya yung calendar. Okay? So, dapat, in short, boomers, yeah. May ana pa ba?
Techie problems.
Yeah, techie problems. She is very smart, everything, like, na ko yung mga di masabtan na niya in one tanaw. Kana bitaw mga CPA kaayo nga high level nga kuan, pero niya pero when it comes to technicalities, like, oh my God. Na-miss luck para sa business, pero di siya magamit.
Baka ako sa next category.
Sa kabaw, para asa. So, it's more on, boomer siya. But it's not really funny. It's something na age difference lang dyan sa.
So we're done with the second category, and now we're moving to the next one, which is personal growth.
Okay, go. Personal growth? Meron ba?
Okay.
Wala.
Very, very personal growth question.
Oh no.
How do you define success now?
Okay, char. Success before for me kay title,
Okay.
kana bitong something ako magumama, I think sa ko miling mama nga influence pod kanang nakita gid ko niya as someone na bossing around ng manager type gid yang gina-expect ako. So I feel like success for me before is kana yung manager ko kanang kuan ko operational something ing ana
Title yun.
naagid ko title CPA pa ko, even nangarap pa gani ko maging lawyer. Mo jud na siya ang success for me. But you know what? Success for me now is living in a big house nga na ay big lot for my dogs, and naga-farming ko on the side, and mo wake up ko nga wala bitaw alarm, walay ka ng something nga need na ko.
Like slow days.
Slow days and freedom to choose. Ang pinaka most ata is I'm able na to do decisions na dili na bitaw money driven. Na I'm doing this not because for the money na, marag dili na siya ing ana.
I think the way I get it in one sentence, baka mura siya being the boss of your own life.
Kanang
Like,
ikaw na
wala
jud.
ko'y gisundan,
Wala na ko'y
you know,
gisundan.
like, you know,
That's success, and it gives a lot of peace of mind na.
yeah.
Sa karon kay wala pa ko na nga level. But kanang mo na
You'll
akong
get there.
gina-foresee
You'll get
bitaw
there.
nga
Almost
makuha,
there.
no? Kanang di ba kabantay ka dili na jud ako ang type nga kanang agad permis of others ana.
Yeah, like you go for what you want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's success for me now, but let's see kung sa next 3 years what will happen na naman, no?
Good.
So this question is for Karin.
Okay.
Go.
Ooh, nice. Okay, the question is, what's something you're proud of but rarely talk about?
Oh. Interesting.
Reason why it's interesting is open mo gud ko.
Open.
Ano ba?
Open.
Like I'm such an
Ano to sa
open
iyong parents?
I'm such an open book, like really close to my parents. So anything I do, my thoughts even, okay, aware akong parents, aware akong sister, and even my friends. So very open. So kinda hard to think about.
Even love life.
Yeah, even love life. Pero kani, just to kuan.
Satisfy the question.
Oh, pero dili may nga just to have an answer. Pero something that I'm not so open about right now pa siguro is bago pa man gud ko sa akong relationship with the Lord. You know, the intimate relationship. And it's something that I wanna, hindi mo siya character na I wanna portray, but it's something that I wanna declare sa public, you know, my strong relationship with the Lord. There are times na I'm hesitant because di ba you have not, a lot of people, okay, wala bito ka, di ba ko na ni ka-deep o relationship with sa una. So probably the people who saw me before, di man ingon irresponsible ko, sige, tagay-tagay or anything. Pero mura pag, the sa pangalan ka ng hesitation is coming from ano sa JC ka rin uy like kanang ano sa na siya
Very faithful and
yeah ba like and also na lagi na siya na ba and I think it's common labi na bago pa ka sa walk so mo siya gina nga doubt but it's something that I'm conquering and it's something like I think through this podcast na it's helping me to declare my faith na I follow Jesus and I'm happy about it and it's something I want to talk about nga ginahinay nako kay again makalitan ang mga tao but at the same time gusto gid ko nga i-share na siya so siguro that's one thing I'm proud of na dili pa kaayo ma-talk about but in the future I want to be consistent about it.
I know as your friend since then, I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
Because I know na you are faithful, dude.
Oo.
Tinuod?
I wonder why you think like that.
Yeah,
Na-
I think
we always known you that way, but siguro karon kay consistent lang jud siguro kayo. But we are not surprised.
Tinuod?
No, we're not.
Wala na siya.
Yeah.
I'm not surprised.
Feeling
Like, I think sa imo karon na nga
Oo.
kanang mindset mo nga.
Mm-mm.
Maybe you are not showing it enough. You are not declaring it enough. But to
No,
us,
but
it's very
it's,
ano,
like,
very-
obvious.
It's shown.
It's
At
known.
least that's some. That's
Wala, na-surprise ko.
Surprise ko.
I'm feeling na kuwang pa to siya and then, yan, nadaday ko daan.
Oo.
Okay. Thank you, Lord.
So now I'm going to pick a question
Sakto.
for Jeza. How do you practice self-compassion?
What I did is I literally just slowed down and everything. Like I reached to the point na I wanted something, I got it. And after that one I stopped. I not really stopped, but I slowed down. I instead of
Ako, question
wanting
for you.
for promotion.
Para sa self-compassion.
Yeah. Exactly.
sorry.
Okay. My point is now I slow down on my life. Wala na kayo po mag-pressure on stuff. In fact, mag-fight. But ako mga flowers, mag-arrange ko flowers and everything. I just want to slow down on things because I think I'm being too hard.
Guys, wala ni siya sa question, pero something I wanna ask Jezreel.
So,
Sige, related gyapon ni siya sa self-compassion. But let's say, is there a time na wala ni mo na reach ako sa ka-goal or probably something that you wanna get yun ba, you wanna acquire, and then wala jud nimo siya nakuha, say, on a specific timeline, or maglisod gyapon kag kuha. How did you deal with that? How did you feel about it? And like, how did you treat yourself?
siguro sa kuan lang, something that I don't have right now, sa love life, kaya mo bilay, obviously, uy, kaayo pa, minano kay example, mauna tayo lang na-uncover na ka ng background ako kaya warrior ko na kaya, pero ganadyo ka ng 1%, only like date to marry kind of thing ba, pero yan, na nakagakaya, so, mauna siyang something na wala pa lang akong makuan.
Yeah.
So, sa self-compassion na part is, I really just listen to myself.
Nice.
Tungod sa jud anang kuan pag-buot ng grabe rin yung self-awareness. Like, if ever I don't feel like doing something, I really just
Hindi na ka
listen to
mamugos.
my body. Yeah.
Yes. I like that. I like
Like
that.
Aside from that, not
Kita
only
naman
for
sa
myself,
mga kapoy na
Kita promise.
Yeah. Aside from example na rin, kaya kay example na madumog na ka ng kanya siya kay di siya na makapaki. But I've reached that certain level of unbothered, and that's how I made some self-compassion for myself.
Nice.
Yay.
Question for
Thank you.
Miss Christine.
Okay, I'm ready.
What's one book or podcast that changed your mindset?
Pwede dili book. Kay
anything.
I recently, wala pa gid ko nagbasa. Even Jaza gave me a book, but wala pa gid ako nahuman. But I could not really share a book right now or like recent. But dili po siya podcast, but it's a video on TikTok that I watched that made a lot of impact in my current situation right now.
Yeah.
So, as you guys know, I do a lot of social media in work. And also, pag kanami bitong break, wala ko'y buhaton,
Yeah.
entertainment yun na ko is social media.
Mm.
As in, updated ko sa mga trends nga nahitabo sa social media.
Taon
So, because I do a lot of social media, especially now on TikTok, na ako'y nakitaan nga video ni, nakalimut lang ko kinsa siya na content creator ha, but giingon niya, ang yang gingon is, change your mindset the way you see social media. So, dito nagsugod nga na shift. Ang pasabot niya, non-verbatim lang, is kung ginayuse ni mong social media as a way to communicate with your friends, to share your life, why not see it as a way to earn money or to do some side hustles that will really change your life. So, sukad bitaw atong nakuan ako. Dito na ko na motivate na why not try what others are doing na successful karon. So, for example, Anna is content creation and also TikTok
This
affiliate.
everything, podcast.
Yes. So, the day kadlawon to nako siya na watch. Katupod na very kadlawon. March 19, 2025 is giwat na ko akong TikTok account and ako lang yung purpose ato is to share lang faceless and low key lang yun but dili gyud siya mugawas jud bitay mo bubbly personality. So until sa nagduna jud ko og kana face to face and then buhat na nako ako ang YouTube and so on. So although I am not yet in the money making side yet on content creation, wala pa jud ko ana nga side also on TikTok, but kanang because I have this change of mindset na social media is not just a way to share your life just for the sake of it, but it's a way to potentially expand your net worth would, and I can really see now that I'm doing it, there's a potential that it can change somebody's life. Actually, proven naman yun siya. It changed a lot of lives.
Yeah.
So that's why, guys, na-influence ako kong friends, na-invite na ko sila sa podcast, and we are here. And since we're friends, wala sila choice. So yeah, that's it.
Life. What does self-care look like for you now?
Ooh. Okay. I like that. Self-care for me is na-mention na ni Jaza ganina, no? I was happy about her answer kay ka-relate ko ba. So, her answer was listening to her body. Example, I have a specific example. There was a day, I think 2 to 3 weeks ago na kana bang kalit lang na I don't feel doing anything at all. Kana siyang like doing good man akong work, and then I have really great relationship, like with friends, with workmates. Yeah. I go to the gym, diba? As in, muna productive kay siya na life, and then na paong kalit ang fire on like wanting to do those things and functioning ba ato nga mga tayo. So, okay kayo ko. Ang akong gibuhat. Misend ko og long message sa kanang group chat bitaw nako sa kanang gym friends. Pero 4 lang to. Dili ko kato og gym numbers. 100 to 100. Wow pud kay siya, guys. So I have like 4 really close friends sa gym, and then I sent them like a kind of long message ba, pero more on letting them understand na, guys, you might not be seeing me for a few days or like a week or so. Kay I don't have any reason, but I don't even think I'm going through something, pero my body tells me na dili lang jud ko ganahan. And so 1 to 2 weeks like after work mag-movie lang ko or wa jud ko nag-gym, like wa ko ni go outside even, and then 2 straight weekends na wala ko gising ng friends. Like although pag Sunday syempre mag-church, that's a different thing, pero like wa jud ko nila ag even for myself or like for friends. And that's how I define like self-care, knowing when to listen to yourself and like parang recharging yourself. Kay sometimes it's exhausting. Mura man gud is. True, you're being productive, but wala nakakabantay na burn out ka because daghan ka ginabuhat. And so that's my self-care.
It's actually
Listening to myself.
really the main source of peace of mind.
Yeah.
That's why I like that.
So now for the last question for this category is for Jazarael.
Rael na siya or Rael?
Ariel. What area of your life are you trying to improve now?
Finances na
Love life.
Maybe ang kuan ako ni pag-explain ka ng more time with yourself. It's something like not really that I wanted to be alone. It's more like doing things that I want without, getting the pressure of I have to do it. So it's like just doing it because I want it. And most especially nga kanang with our current job, it's not that we are not having any work.
Yeah.
And lisod sa dato nga part kay mo, di ba kita tulo is night shift.
Yeah.
Diba? So, dako yung tendency nga during the day is wala kayo tayo mabuhat, yung mga tulog.
Yeah.
So, I really wanted to make time. I really wanted to slow down. Like, that is something that I wanted to improve.
In short, nagatiguang na ta. Hey, slowing down na dyan ang mga tao.
No, di ba kita yung 30 ba?
Oh, wala ka
23, mid 20s, 25.
Ganahan mo tayo. Ganahan mo rin tayo. So now we're on our next category, and
Yeah,
this is
our
a
fourth
very
one.
interesting topic. It's about friendship and
Adulting.
So,
Yes.
anyway, joke. What's one adulting task you hate doing?
Okay.
Okay. I think paglaba.
Ako hugas pa to.
Ikaw, ano sa'yo ha?
Sorry, I don't live alone. I live with my mom.
Yeah. For me is maglaba jud girl, like ang ako magud kamot is pag makuanan bitog sabon kanang magpanit-panit kasi tawagan na.
Oh,
Dito
Oo.
kang palondri?
Mao gani nagapa-laundry ko girl. So we spend roughly 2,500 per month just for laundry. Kaya naman po may mga comforter no. So mo gid ang isa sa reason pod nga ga work gid ko kay ako gyud gina-remind ako sa girl, di ba ka ganan maglaba. Na so kuan ka nang wala jud choice magpa-laundry na lang. May gani ka na pa yung mga laundry
Yeah.
karon no need na ka mag-hire og mga labada gyud ana. So maglaba jud guys ang pinaka hate na ko. I will choose a question for Karin.
yes.
What's one thing adulthood surprised you with?
Top of my head right now is that inani di siya ka-boring. Because remember the thought na bata pa ka, you can't wait to be adult.
Yeah.
Because you want to do things on your own. You know, you imagine yourself to have money ba na kana okay, if ma-adult na ko wala ni magbuot na ko,
Yes.
mapalit na ko ni ana. And then what surprised me the most is that or probably something that you did not see coming mga when you transition man god into adulthood kay daghan na day kaayo og kanang mo affect sa imong reality ba, let's say daghan na kag limitations say na nakay work, hence true nagkadaghan ng mga butang nga ganahan ka but you can't do it because limited imong time. Or pwede na kanang ganahan ka ana pero dili enough imong money, or pwede na kay enough money but imuhang kontra kay energy pod kay tungod pag earn nimo sa money grabe kay imuhang gi-exhaust nga energy sa work. So more on, and di mo siya bad thing na boring siya no, that's just reality, that's how things are lang yun. Pero murabag abi ba na ko fun kaayo mga adult? Uy, wala na ba like abi ba na ko kanang exciting kaayo because I get to do things I want, and yet being adult would mean a lot of limitations.
Yeah.
I'll take the question for Jezza this time. Yes. Yeah. How do you stay close with friends now that you're all busy?
Very interesting. Honestly, I feel like na filter jud maayo kong friends, and I'm really happy for those who are still my friends.
Yeah, in touch
And
with you.
how I stay close to them, of course, main thing is social media. Again, it's a really good help. And maybe the best thing to do good is reply.
Yeah.
But still, even if ingana ko ang mindset lately, I still wanted to connect with my friends by just talking to them
Yeah.
every day. It's like,
Sending
sila
random
yung, I'm
TikTok
really happy they
videos.
still respond.
Wala pa ko i-flag na ko sa podcast.
Yeah, I really,
sila
and, oh my god, I really appreciate those kind of people. Like, bisag ka na sila love their lives. Like, they
Like
don't center,
Christine.
they don't center their life on that person. I mean, it's a
Yeah.
good thing, diba?
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean like, kung ano po mo ka
Yeah.
How do you balance work, rest, friendship, and relationships?
Oh.
So sa work, when I have my nagit ko hyper focus time, so when I am on those hours, I focus work. So I get things done. And then sa rest, kay dili ko gasat og alarm. Matulog ko kung kano saan ako gusto, and then mo mataw ano sa pud ako gusto.
Tagapagbantay ng mundo.
Tagapagbantay ng mundo.
This why
Maskin mo chat og 3
police
a.m.
pangkalawakan.
Anytime mo reply.
Inala nga tayo, police pangkalawakan.
And so mo na siya sa rest, and also sa relationship, romantic relationship is it's a good thing now we live together, so we see each other every second of our lives. But kanang napod mi ko ani Brian, so we are together almost 5 years. Every week, at least once a week, kay naamay ka ng daytime nga kami lang mag-eat ba somewhere nga kanang intimate time lang mo kay lahi ra jud if naamo sa usa ka balay And then, syempre, among dogs, mga distractions, mga neighbors, renovations.
Yeah.
But lahi ra ginang naagin mo, nag-sit down and then you get to talk. So, I spend time, ana. And also, sa friends is, kung naa sila yung mga random nga mga errands nga pwede ko makakuyog. Pagod ko na hear ano nga, para daw dili kay bugat ang pagpakita nimo sa friends nimo is do it in a way nga kanang nag-random errands lang mo, kanang nagkuan lang
So,
mo.
like unplanned.
Oh, unplanned.
Ako po nag-invite akong friends na, ganun po guys. Like,
Oo, kanang ana lang mo.
pero limited ka sa location.
Okay,
Diba?
sa
So, like,
location.
one ako ni mo, sige.
Yeah.
Sorry, kus diluan.
She lives very far away. Pila ka hours? 1 to 2 hours na?
Mga 1 hour.
And also, si Jaza is the friend na dali lang ako neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
We are neighbors. And I think para pud ma-balance mo ang friendship out of all those kanang mga adult responsibilities and everything is just to be there with your friend. Not necessarily physically, no? Example, like, mag-random rant na siya. Like, katong the other day nga, naputol daw yung charger. Ni-chat siya sa ako, naputol daw ang yung charger kay nahulog. Oo niya, nag-send siya ang picture niya. Ako na ako sa in the middle of something niya. Nag-stare ko sa yung chat nga, oh. And you get to be there sa iya ha. So, that's one thing to maintain relationship with your friends. Okay, next, I will pick a question for Karine.
Yes, sir.
What's something your younger self would be proud of?
I think it's that I would conquer self-esteem issues.
Really? You have self-esteem issues? I see you as a very confident person, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's
And oftentimes, as a confident person, that's what you want to portray mo with confidence. No? That's how you want to,
so that means you are successful.
that's how what you want people to see you about confident. But deep down, super kalam ang self-doubt.
Yeah.
Super kalam pero siguro dili on the things that I can do. No, I've long murag realized sa akong life ko na there's so many things I can do. So okay ko na nga side. Siguro this is some side of me na dili kini nako i-talk about. Pero self-esteem on physical na appearance and all. So kuan ko like as a kid, very kanang chubby, kanang itong nga kid. And as a kid, oftentimes when you see a classmate ba na pretty,
Okay.
loved by all, mag-wonder ka na, hello, siya lagi kayo makakollect of lots of friends, and then me, I'm kanang dili lagi ko makakollect of friends. Is it because kanang I'm not pretty enough? Is it because, ano ba, more on pretty privilege bitaw ng mga side of things na I got so insecure sa thought na kanang because I'm not pretty enough, there's a lot of things na I didn't get sa world, like let's say respect from some people, let's say kanang simple lang gud mga things like even kanang friendship gyud, like sa ulo nakasuway mo gud ko ana kanang more ma-betray ina na ba murag ma-connect na ko siya as a kid to is it because I'm not pretty enough hantod sa nagdako ko na I think you know the background I have sa love life no pag high school dili ta mag-drop og name kay ang very public man siya. You guys know who that is and what type of experience I had ba. And mura mo gud siya og nalaw samot ako ang self-esteem issues because I wasn't chosen by the person. Mura bag betrayal pag
you
yun.
realize narcissist with siya. Wala nga din.
Sorry.
Samot na naiana imuhang ka na.
Sorry. More inato ang nahitabo. So, kanang the thought na inato akong gi-go through, mas nasamad ko og lawom on self-esteem ba? Na mura bag, am I not worthy to be chosen? Kanang, is it because, kanang, kana sa chubby pa man gud ko pag high school po yun. Di man ingon nga daot jud ko karon pero dako jud ko ato. And so, ang thought ba nga, is it because physical appearance really matters to people? Matter to people? Mo na nga kanang wala ko niya pilia. Insay kuwang nako ato. Marag ina na siya kalawom nga samad. Nga dugay kay nako siya gi-go through nga. Di na ko siya always i-talk about because akong gibilittle ang problem ba. Murabag, kung ako ni siyang is-share to some, mas bugat mo gud ang problem. Let's say, na Jaza, more on like family. Pero maikog ka ba na, kana ra gani akong problem, ako ba siya i-share? Nana bitaw. So, lawom kay siya nga gi-go through nako siyan. And so, na ako sa stage right mao na if makadungog mo na ko go pa na ko. It's just me like really accepting na kinsa ko and what I have become, and I really think I'm pretty. Margina na ba?
You are.
And so proud ko because finally Karine after 24 years. Oh, kanang jud ko on my 24th birthday nihilak ko niya. Naato sa tubangan sa kumangod, and ko sa kumangod. Luyan ako no because it took me 24 years to realize I'm worthy. And it's such a deep realization ba na nganong dugay kay ko naka-realize na worthy ko ana and pero thank you Lord nanan ako ana pero ako jud siya gihilakan na hala 24 years na ko gi-carry na dili ko worthy like ana jud siya self-esteem issues. So proud ko ana nga kuan guys. It's not something I always
The
talk
little
about.
Karen is proud.
Yeah,
Very
yeah,
proud.
like me conquering that bana kanang I'm proud of myself now. Kana.
Ah.
Wait.
What's your current definition of happiness?
Seeing my face.
I think for me, like at this point in my life, the current meaning for happiness for me is having a peace of mind.
Yeah.
Like it's more like being unbothered, but in a good way. Like you don't have to prove yourself to someone. You don't have. You don't need external validation. Like paratay lang yung like, oh my god, I feel so pretty. I don't need your validation if you're ugly or not. But I feel like that.
Yeah.
But I think that's something that I am happy about
Yeah.
because maybe just like mo ma-relate siya sa question sa kang Carrie, way back then it is something that we kind of, or maybe me, I kind of find it hard to accept that kind of reality. But right now it's my reality, so I'm happy about it, and that's
Yeah.
my current definition of happiness.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
And I'm grateful na nana na atong pananaw
Yeah.
sa happiness, no? It's not
Yung
like
dalahin na dyan, no?
Tita mo, Tita Pro Max. Tita Pro Max. Isang ng
Fully paid.
Tita Pro Max. Like very, very lahi na ang definition.
Yeah.
We're done with our fourth category.
Okay, so
Sige, ang ating what's your ultimate career goal?
okay.
I mean, I know nga magdugay ko in the VA industry, but at the same time, I don't want it to be something that I do all the time. Especially, for example, after 10 years, I wanted something that, I want to make money for me. So, meaning I want a passive income. That's why I'm investing a lot in real estate. Slowly, we will get there. And then, another thing would be, maybe magka-business. And this is very funny, but one business I really wanted to do is Pilates business. Kaya wala
Why?
wala yung Pilates studio sa Lapu-Lapu City.
Yeah, you need to go pa sa Cebu.
Yeah,
If you want Pilates,
Nasa Mandawi, nasa Manila, diba? So, if makastart ko, wala ko may competitors. Yeah, and ang CPA sa nga koan, honestly, I'm not sure. Like, I still wanted it, but at the same time, it's not something that urgent, or I have, diba, kamo na mismo nag-ingon na I have a specific timeline for everything, but the CPA dahil tumurag, wala na kayo ko yung timeline for that one, but I'm not closing my doors. Who knows, diba? Nakabawa, ka next year, kalit na tayo sa board. And yeah, what I really wanted something that I really, really aim to do is have money work for me.
That's the ultimate goal
Yes.
sa career.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing, girl.
So the next question, what new skill do you want to learn this year?
New skill?
I like that question. Go.
So, pag-start pa, I don't think it's a new skill. Kay, I think I have started it na.
okay. So you just want to develop.
Yes,
That
kay murag pag-start na ko atong March sa content creation is I really wanted to improve my skills in talking in front of the camera, vlogging, and my creativity skills in general. My creativity skills and confidence sa pag-speak sa camera. So, this year, mo na ako ang focus to be more confident, to be able to edit na in a way nga kanang paspas na bitaw siya, but not compromising the quality of the vlog para dili
Yeah.
pud sayang ang mga shots. And then also yung mga pag-angle-angle bitaw sa mga camera, that's something.
That's a skill,
Goals, goals,
Mo na siya ang ako ang priority this year. And also another skill sila wala pa na ko na startan is to learn how to do color grade para mas aesthetic pa ang mga vlogs.
True.
That's very difficult skill and very proud ko sa mga makabuhat ng mga aesthetic vlogs. Kay it has something to do with color gradings.
Yeah.
So that's what I want to learn this year.
Yeah. That's nice, no? Content. Nakakita ko na nga ni-share ka sa social media nga ni-improve na ang the way you speak ba in front.
Because of this
Yeah.
mic, and just as influence nga, nagpalit-palit yan, it does help nga ka nang mag-chika, bito ka nga.
Okay. Lahi ang mura siya og kanang nitric nga mabuhat sa imong mind.
Have you ever considered quitting?
I don't remember an exact dream nga ni-quit yun ko. Di man siguro quitting ang right term, pero naay mga dreams na we postpone ba because of the kind of reality. Yeah. And I don't see quitting as losing, no? The beauty of quitting ba is also sometimes like we have to admit it, no? There are certain dreams na are like hard to reach, and it's okay to quit. It's okay to give up. Siguro that's one thing na I wanna share, or one thing that I learned so far na okay naman di ay mong give up. Kay again, growing up, tungod kay di ko ba mag-give up, kay ganahan ko. Pero in the long run, kay kapoy siya.
Yes.
Like, that's the reality of like not quitting.
Yeah.
And it's hard ba kay, again, di ka mo sa survival mode. So, I think na right now, tungod kay I want really a life bitaw na kanang ganahan ko na slow ra, ganahan ko na kanang something na ideal life for me ba is okay ra mo quit. So, mo na siya, pero I don't recall so far wala pa bisag mingon ko nga okay ra mo quit. But I don't recall any dream na give up ko.
And I think it's because nag-grow up the just
And siya, like, na-postpone lang ang dreams, but basically, makuha gid mo siya.
we are wired to pursue,
Oh, inana siya, but like, sa mindset,
Achievers sa Jutan
kitang tulo, I think our mindset is, like, really achieving. Well, manggigil me if di na mo makuha.
Di ba sa
Ang
ibang
usa
bad
ka
nga,
butang.
manggigil,
It's not
but
bad.
Yeah, pero inana tawag mindset pa
Musat
na.
yung tawag ko,
Makuha dyan ni siya. Pero again, just the general message is, it's okay to quit. Even if kami wala pa dyan quit. Pero, yeah, it's okay to quit.
yeah.
Here's your question. What motivates you to work hard?
Growing up, it's always me motivating myself. Yan, nabitaw. I swear, even my family doesn't motivate me. I motivate myself most of the time, and that is something na I really wanted to, escape before. Pero so far, I've grown out of it, and I realized na it's bound to happen. That's why I have a tendency nga maging hyper-independent. But at the same time, for this question, what motivates me to work hard? Maybe the reason why I can't answer now because I'm just like what I said earlier in the previous questions, I'm really doing my best to slow down on things. And what motivates me on that one, what motivates me to slow down is because I think I have established myself, maybe not like everybody else's luxury, but to me, from where I came from, it's already a luxury. I'm already happy about it. In fact, I can't believe I've reached this far. Even my family, actually, they can't believe I made it. Diba?
That's a good
So,
one.
dili gid motivation ang di sa ilan ako nga bad akong family for not motivating me, but it's mostly just me. It's so sad, no? Like, very lonely jud ay siya. And that is the consequence of a lot of people know this. That's the consequence of getting successful. You'll get to realize that it has been a lonely
Journey.
yeah. And
Uy, that
you will be
relates to
lonely.
my first answer ganiha nga kanang you can have all the money in the world and you can still be the loneliest person out there.
Yeah. So,
Because money isn't everything, guys. Yeah, it's a lonely journey, no. When you get to a point na taas na kaog na reach sa life.
that's why it's a very vague question. What motivates me to work hard? I'm not working so hard anymore. I mean, I'm still doing what I have to do, my obligations. I still have those things.
Yeah.
But I'm slowing down. Have you experienced imposter syndrome?
Unsa na?
Siya. The way I understand imposter syndrome, no?
search.
Di, actually, nakakon ko, nakagias ko sa akong friend ba, like, if ni agi ba kog imposter syndrome. Just the way I understood it, same as you defined it. More on, let's say, daghan na achieve
Yeah.
in life. More about, to a certain level, you've already proven yourself. But, nag-doubt ka sa imong self.
Like, mura kang
Like,
mahadlok nga.
if what kanang, let's say naabot ni nimo and then you doubted yourself again, na ma-discover ka sa mga tao na uy, fraud man na siya, o like she does not she does fraud man na siya, o like she does not deserve what she has right now
Oh my
because
God, yeah.
dili na siya.
It's actually a good question. Let's
Inana na
answer
siya.
this. Let's all answer
Inana
this.
na siya. That's how I understood,
Yeah.
imposter syndrome, like
What
fraud
if you're
ka
just,
ba?
you're
Oh,
just
like,
a fraud.
nag-portray ra ka o
Mm.
character ba?
But you're
Ano,
not really that.
ga-doubt ka, mag self-inflicted siya nga doubt,
Mm.
nga ma-discover sa uban na fraud ba ka ni siya. So you doubt yourself even if daghan na kay kag na-achieve, but you doubt yourself.
Yeah.
So how do you deal with that? How do you deal with imposter syndrome?
I think sa base sa explanation ninyo, wala pa ko katry because I've always been so authentic sa other people. Kanang, and also I'm on open book. Kanang what you see is what you get. Kanang ano bitaw?
Yeah,
So how about
If
you
ako
guys?
ask, I have never doubted myself. In a way nga murag deserve ba ni nako. Siguro because same with you, in connection to being authentic, I show my vulnerabilities to people man gud. So they can't use it against me. I'm not afraid to be doubted because I've long put it out there na kanang I have weaknesses. So when when I have those thoughts na i-doubt ba na ako akong self, maybe more on kaya ba ni nako, but as to kanang relating it to being a fraud, I don't think so. Like kanang murag mo na yung hindi mo na siya. No, I've always been same authentic. Inana siya ba? Very very transparent na person.
Transparent yung good.
Yeah.
How about you, girl?
Deep ko siya.
For me, sad is no sad because I believe in myself. Like that's the good.
She knows what she can do. That's
like,
why.
And even if kanang, for example, someone like kinamang good tendency, I won't even lie. No, na tendency nga di ko ganan mo share
Okay.
something na but that doesn't mean I lie. Of course, if mamuta na ka, makabaw, ka. Di ba? Nakatry mo ka, ana nga.
True, that's true.
Na-share
Not
na
telling
wala din
means-
kakabaw, ana din.
Not telling doesn't mean lying.
Yeah. But that doesn't mean na
Yeah.
I am secure with myself naman. So good.
Oh, she knows what she can do, good guys.
Yeah.
She's confident sa iyang output. No, like, so if she reaches something, kaya siya nga,
Because I've worked
well,
hard for it.
kanang, na-earn niya ba? Ina na nga term, like, kaya ka nga na-earn mo siya because you worked hard for it. So, yeah.
What's your proudest project so far?
Siguro, home renovation. Because, again, ang background not well off, then di ba remember na nag-talk ta before tani antog Singapore sa asa to nga coffee shop sa airport, basta nag-talk ni guys, and then so pareha ni Christine nga kanang gikan jud amakan nga balay, gikan gyud og kanang agi pag CR nga kanang sasaw kanang mo flasher dito. Mo jud ang mga topic ato niya. Siguro that's why proudest siya kay like you makaparenovate og house kay wala sa kamahal ang kanang mga materials ba, so that's one big project na I'm proud of, and personal siya ha, kay again if career too technical ang terms, but kana siya like just really me not imagining ba na okay makalive day ko og concrete na house, no, kay kanang nagdako gyud ka ba nga inyong house kay di siya ligon ma'am. Kawayan pa siya. Inana gid siya na naabot yun, nagid ko ana nga inana gid among house. So
Tapos magtulo-tulo pag yun.
yes, very yeah.
Baha pag yun.
Mo na achievement siya for us. So not just for me, I think same for Jazza nga na siya karon sa condo.
Yeah.
No, kay it's a different level of kaagi ba as a kid, no, nga nana kagikan, and then, you know, reality sinking in na you can now afford these things. You can now initiate nga ikaw na magpa-renovate.
Yeah.
So it's such a big and a proud project to share.
Congrats, Kari.
That's it.